Hello, in this video I will be modeling this sketch and this is really very simple sketch, but just to show you how I create uh, curves for this sketch. So on the axis, curve, snap to the center, I'll create like 100 mm. Okay, so now I'll scale this a bit. Okay, so all my sketches are in a left plane. So how many curves I have to create first? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, copy paste it a bit, and then copy paste it, move it, then copy paste it, move it. So see, the distance between these two lines are relatively very small, so I'll bring it down a bit, and this one is a bit big. I mean, the distance is really big compared to other two lines. Yeah, this should be good. And I see a little bit of crown here in all the curves, so I'll select the center series. I'll move it a little bit. That should be enough. And now I need to move these lines in 3D space. So this line and this line and this line are like offset to the other two lines, so I'll move the top view. I'll move it out a bit. Yeah, and now you see that this surface is assuming G2 continuity. This from this line it is having G2 continuity, and it is having position continuity to this line. So what we have to do is we need to create one more curve, move it in z-axis, and now we'll create skin. I created a shortcut, so skin, select this and this. So at this point we don't need any crown, so we'll off the crown, and then these two. See, you see that there is a little bit of crown here, so we need to on the crown and we'll pull outside a bit. Yeah, okay, so I see that there is a G2 continuity to this line and this line here. You see a nice freeform blend here. So what I will do is I'll create one more curve in, move it to z-axis, and now again skin, and now I'll turn off the crown. Yeah, so we all have the primary surfaces, and we will create now the other surface. I'll just move this to this, inactive, select all the curves, move here, we will call it as curves, and here we need surface. Okay, so we don't need curves now. Now We'll select freeform band. We'll take G2 continuity and G1 position continuity. So G1, we need to be very careful with selecting the surfaces. So select 1 for G2 continuity and G1. We'll see. Yeah. And now we need G2 continuity on both sides. So select this and this. Okay. So I see that there is a little bit of deviation in this curve. So let's unhide the curve. I'll select this CV. I'll move it up a bit. Yeah. Okay, and I see we'll move it in x-axis also a bit. Yeah. So you see the reflections, right? So for that I am adjusting the CVs, and I see a good amount of bend here, but I don't see any bend here. So we need to select the curves and we need to move it in x-axis a bit so that it gives a nice curve. And then z-axis as well. Yeah. Okay, maybe you need to select this series and move a bit inside. Yeah. And now locate one, hide the curves. We'll select the surfaces that we don't need, hide it. And this is not totally a sharp edge, so we might have to create a fillet here. So I'll select fillet tool, surfaces, convert, change to chord. Oh, that's really big. Select 2, automatic update. Yeah, that's all for now. Thank you.